Hey guys, what's up? So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can build a list of thousands of Series A funded companies, and you can also get fundraising data as well. So you know exactly when to reach out to this company. So you know when you're reaching out to the company, like what to even say, if they're the right company to reach out to them, and how you can do it completely automatically. So just as a caveat here, if you were to do this in the old way of doing outbound, you would have to pull data from multiple different sources. You'd have to use expensive like Crunchbase, then export the data, and then you might have inaccurate data, all sorts of different things. Whereas here with Clay, rather than having multiple different softwares and subscriptions, you're able to do everything all from one place, and you're also able to do it automatically. The old way meant that you would probably have to use multiple different data sources, and you would have to jump from those different subscriptions, and you would import, export, and it's just a pain in the ass to kind of manage. Whereas here, it's all completely automatic. So what we've got here is we've got a list and a table of this is just one of the Clay starter lists, but we've got Series A funded companies, 12,800 companies here. And we have got here what's called a recipe within Clay. So this is basically going to allow you to enrich these companies for fundraising data. So you're going to find the latest fundraising data from multiple different providers. To start off with Harmonic, then just from Clay's own data sources, then Owler, and then PitchBook, I think, as well. So, and then it's going to tell you the funding stage and then also the funding amount if it's been able to get that data as well. And then you could run this for the entirety of your list. So you can have the data points that you actually want, so that when you're reaching out to these companies, you can filter them out and you can say, hey, these are the companies that we actually want to target, and this is the right time to target them because of the right funding stage, and you know exactly when to target these companies. Now, if you want help with this, then feel free to book in a call, and you can help. We can have a chat about how you can use Clay workflows to automate a lot of your prospecting and build out proper data sets so that you know when to reach out to businesses. You know what information to reach out with, and personalize information, personalize your emails at scale so you can book in more meetings. So you can book in a call below if that's what you're interested in chatting about. But anyways, for here, I'm going to show you how you can do this and how you can do it automatically. So to kind of get these columns, you would go over to enrich data, and then we'd go to where do we go from before? One second. We'd go over to here, and we would use one of Clay's pre-built what's called a recipe, which is just multiple different data providers put together in a workflow. So we'd come over to funding stage, and we would click on here, and we would basically get fundraising data for the company, and then latest fundraising data, and it will basically try here, and if it doesn't find it, it will try here, and so on and so forth. And we've already pre-populated. So what we're going to do is we're going to run just a couple of these because it might be quite, just so I don't use up like a million credits. But this will run completely automatically. So we can see here, if we go to edit column, basically it's asking you for the company domain or company LinkedIn URL. So you can populate it with the company LinkedIn, or you can populate it with the domain or website. And then it will tell you what funding stage this company is at, so that when you are determining whether or not to reach out to one of these businesses, you can say, hey, I saw that you're at Series A, or you know that you're targeting Series A companies, and so this would make your list of a company to target, right? And if we were to do that again, and we were to see on the next row, like what this actually looks like, we can see here, okay, Series A again, right? So super simple, quite literally just one click. And again, the old way of doing this would be to pull information from, say, for example, Crunchbase, and then export the list and enrich it in like a different place, and just have multiple different subscriptions and everything. And it's a bit of a pain in the ass. Whereas here, you can do it all from one place, and it makes it so much easier. So yeah, I just wanted to make a very quick video just to show you how you could enrich like a list of software companies or Series A funded companies. So obviously I know that this is an initial list already of Series A funded, and this is going to say funding stage Series A, but I just wanted to show you, if you had a massive list of software companies, you could dictate the stage Series A, Series B, wherever they're at, and then you could filter it down into the companies that you actually want to reach out to, depending on who your ideal customer is, right? And you could do it all from one place. So if you were to scrape a list from, say, for example, LinkedIn, and you had a list of of software companies, you could then enrich the data to understand where is the funding stage, where are these businesses at in terms of funding, and then I should be reaching out to this business, right? This is just another example of a recipe or workflow within Clay that makes it so much easier to do this and saves you so much time, and does it automatically with literally just one click. So if you're interested in learning more about how you actually do this and not scraping and pulling data from so many different places and having a headache of trying to organize everything and saving a bunch of time, if you want to do that, you want to learn more about how you can implement these workflows into your business, into your outbound prospecting system, so that it runs more efficiently and you're able to book more meetings, then feel free to book in a call with myself in the link below. And we can kind of chat you through how this might work and if it's a fit for both of us. But other than that, I'll see you in the next one. Like, subscribe, comment, all that stuff. And yeah, bye.